it's Brooke with WTI. Are you looking to find a creative gift, a really cool item to share or give to a friend or even your kids? This here is amazing. This is by NEWRICE. Their building blocks are so unique. This one is the Sakura Cherry Blossom Tree House, and it feels like we're stepping into a fairy tale, especially with these LED lights that wrap around. How awesome is that? You can have so much fun with this, with all these accessories, your bunny, your dog, these glasses, the fire, the little trees, the little rooms in the tree house, also with the window that opens and the door. I just love that these pieces here are really high quality. There's 1,008 pieces and they weren't hard to handle at all. We were able to press them in place and they stay put. Also, the instructions made it very easy. My 11-year-old and my 8-year-old really enjoy using this and setting it up at their own time. And the instructions were very stress-free. It has pictures on them and the bags are labeled so you don't have to pull everything out all at once. This is really fun and it's really great even if you want to just set it up on your mantle. And we love it. It's been such a nice addition to what we do in the middle of the day. And we just think it's very beautiful, very fun, and also nice to use our creative side of the brain. Do you have kids that love everything, building blocks, playing, need something to do? Definitely check this out. But that's just my point of view.